Hi friends, I'm Corey Damen Jenkins, and I have got some thrilling news for you. We are about to launch Season 2 of Design Reimagined. Now, as you may recall, Season 1 was based on the first chapter of my new coffee table book of the same name. Our next season is based on the second chapter, which features the gorgeous home of my clients, Heather and Jason, in Bridgehampton, New York. From the living room, dining room, kitchen, his and her offices, primary bedroom, and much, much more, I promise you will be wowed and walk away with the confidence, knowledge, and joy to apply everything you've learned to your own space. And this time around, I have a special offer to all of my subscribers. A free 1-hour consultation with me to help you get started on reimagining your own space. There are just 2 steps to qualify. Number 1, you must subscribe. And number 2, leave a comment, and then you'll be entered into a lottery to win this 1-hour consultation with yours truly. I truly cannot wait to share this new season of Design Reimagined with all of you. Until we meet again, be bold.